Let's look at some numbers and predictions that help us see the scale cloud is predicted to achieve in the coming years. Gartner predicts the worldwide public cloud service market to grow from $182.4 billion in 2018 to $331.2 billion in 2022, attaining a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 12.6%. Spending on infrastructure as a service to increase from $30.5 billion in 2018 to $76.6 billion in 2022, growing 27.5% in a year. Platform as a service spending to grow from $15.6 billion in 2018 to $31.8 billion in 2022, growing 21.8% in a year. With software investments shifting from cloud first to cloud only, spending on software as a service is expected to grow from $80 billion in 2018 to $143.7 billion in 2022. What is clear is that cloud is accelerating faster than predicted, adoption is high, and revenues are soaring. The question for businesses today is no longer if they need to adopt the cloud, rather what their cloud adoption strategy should be to best serve their businesses and customers. Keeping up with this technological wave and driving it forward are the cloud service providers with a wide range of services. We will now talk about some of the major cloud service providers in an alphabetical order. Alibaba Cloud, also known as Aliyun, while relatively new, is the largest Chinese cloud computing service provider. Aliyun provides a comprehensive suite of global cloud computing services to power not just their customers' online businesses, but also the Alibaba Group's own e-commerce ecosystem. It offers a host of products and services such as compute, network, storage, security, monitoring and managing, communication, analytics, IoT, application development, data migration, web hosting, and more. One of the first to enter the cloud computing race, Amazon Web Services, or AWS Cloud, offers an extensive range of infrastructure and platform services to individuals, companies, and governments on a metered pay-as-you-go basis. The Amazon Cloud provides a wide range of products, services, and solutions ranging from compute, DevOps, data, analytics, IoT, machine learning, networking, content delivery, robotics, serverless computing, and much more. Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, is a suite of cloud computing services providing infrastructure, platform, and serverless computing environments. Google also uses GCP internally for their end-user products such as Google Search and YouTube. Google Cloud includes G Suite with products for communication, productivity, collaboration, storage, and more. The Google App Engine is a platform for developing and hosting web applications in Google-managed data centers, automatically allocating and deallocating resources to handle demand. IBM Cloud is a full-stack cloud platform that spans public, private, and hybrid environments with products and services covering compute, network, storage, management, security, DevOps, and databases. Some of their prominent offerings include their bare metal servers, VMware, Cloud Paks for application modernization, virtual private cloud, and the suite of emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, blockchain, data, and analytics. With the acquisition of Red Hat, IBM is also positioning itself as the leading hybrid cloud provider of our times. Microsoft Azure is a flexible cloud platform for building, testing, deploying, and managing applications and services through Microsoft-managed data centers. With its data centers spread out in many regions, Azure provides a global reach with a local presence. It provides software, platform, and infrastructure services supporting Microsoft-specific and third-party languages, tools, and frameworks. Oracle Cloud is primarily known for software as a service and database as a service, also known as the Oracle Data Cloud. Oracle's software as a service offering includes wide-ranging applications such as ERP, SCM, HCM, marketing, sales, and CX running in the cloud. And the Oracle Data Cloud provides one of the largest cloud-based data management platforms, helping customers personalize their online, offline, and mobile marketing campaigns for targeted audiences. Oracle Cloud also provides some cloud infrastructure and platform services. Salesforce specializes in their software as a service offering that focuses on customer relationship management, supporting businesses to better connect with their customers, partners, and potential customers. Salesforce offers multiple cloud services such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud, helping customers track analytics in real time, customer success and support, customer complaints, even listening in to customers across social platforms to automatically route them to appropriate agents for resolution. SAP is known for enterprise software and applications such as ERP, CRM, HR, and finance running in the cloud. There is also a SAP Cloud Platform for building and extending business applications with rapid innovation cycles in a secure cloud computing environment managed by SAP. In the next video, we're going to look at the business case for cloud computing.